I'm sharing this fantastic and amazing breakfast recipe to you guys because you all are super amazing. So let's dive into this video. Here we have some mayonnaise. Of course, you know your girl always make her mayonnaise herself, and also we have some hard-boiled egg already mashed. Okay, so for spicing it up, I have some scotch bonnet already chopped. I have some onions already chopped, and also the ultimate, which is this black pepper. You want to add black pepper. The taste, the flavor, everything is top notch. And also I went for this tuna stick. Actually, this is my first time using tuna stick. I usually just buy the regular tuna, which is like 600 naira, but this one is 1200 naira, and trust me, I didn't regret it at all because the taste is superb. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to heat that up. Okay, I don't eat anything from can. Even sardine, I don't eat it straight up. I'm always not trusting it. Okay, so I heat that up. It's very hot right now. I just put it in a dry pan and just heat it up for like 3 to 5 minutes, and that is it. Okay, remember it comes in vegetable oil, so that oil is going to do the work for me in the pan. So yeah, I've added my tuna to my mayonnaise. I'm adding my scotch bonnet, my diced onion, and I'm just going to add my hard-boiled egg into that mix. Okay, so you want to add everything into a bowl depending on the size you're making. So just add everything up together and give it a good mix. Okay, so the other thing you are going to be adding is actually your spices, which is the black pepper. You are going to also need salt. Okay, of course you need salt for it to taste, and trust me guys, this thing tastes so good. It doesn't even taste as simple as it looks. It tastes really amazing. My family love it, even my daughter love it. So I have this strong belief that your kids are going to dive into this and they are going to enjoy each and every bit of it. Okay, so you can actually adjust your mayonnaise portion. Like me, I want my creamy. What will I do if this thing is not creamy? It's not even possible. So I love my creamy. I actually went ahead and make it as creamy as it can get. So you can do you. Okay, so yeah, this is me adding my black pepper. I'm going to add the salt, and that is all for the ingredients or whatever I'm using for this recipe. Okay, so guys, I want to officially thank each and every one of you. I want to say thank you. I'm actually screaming right now. Thank you so much for this amazing 14 days. Like, thank you for following me back to back. Thank you for watching all of the videos. Thank you for commenting, for liking. You guys are so amazing. You mean the world to me. Like, I don't even, when I was starting this journey, I was like, what if I post and people don't come? Or what if they get bored and they don't show up? What will happen? How will I but then I trust the people I know, as in, like, I know you guys love me so much, and you guys is always there to show up for me, and you didn't disappoint at all. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. I promise to do my best to bring you trustworthy recipes and things that will help you in your business and otherwise. Okay, so you want to give this a very good mix to get all of the ingredients and every other thing in there well mixed. Okay, so for this we are using sliced bread. You can go ahead and maybe cut the ends of your bread, like the skin, or what is it called. You can go ahead and just trim it off, but who they waste bread? Who they waste bread? I can't even stand wasting that bread, and it's for me. So it's not like a fancy date, or it's not like a fancy event kind of thing. It's me and my household that is eating it. So I went ahead and just leave my bread as it is. Don't even ask me. I'm leaving this bread as it is, but do you guys go ahead and cut it off if you want to. So straight up, I'm going to spread this beautiful mix on my bread. I'm going to spread this generously. Did you hear what I said? I said generously. Okay, you want to be generous with this. You want to enjoy. See, there's no time. Enjoy. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just spreading everything there. So let me quickly dive into more information about our giveaway, which have already take place on this channel. So the very first giveaway was by me. It was to say thank you for the love and everything. So I want you guys to know that the giveaway winner will not be called on this channel. It will be called on my vlog channel, Tina Tabansi. So you want to go ahead and subscribe to that channel so you can keep up and you can be notified whenever the video comes up. You might just be the lucky winner, and if you don't even respond on time, you know now, next person you get next, you don't want that. Okay, so please go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel so you can get notified, and also you can know when you win. Okay, so guys, yeah, that's it. And for the second giveaway, it's proudly sponsored by my bestie Jennifer Rowland. Go ahead and subscribe to her channel. She is the one picking our winners. She is the one calling our winners on her channel. Okay, I don't have a business with that. She is the one doing everything. So you want to subscribe to my girl, you want to subscribe. She's a lifestyle vlogger based in Abuja, Nigeria. She have beautiful vlog going on. She have a very good story to tell. You people will love her. She's very caring. She has taken care of everyone around her for a very long time. Like, in fact, I don't even know how to explain, but you need to follow her to understand the kind of person that she is. She's amazing. So please subscribe to my girl's channel. She will be the one calling a winner, and you might just be the lucky winner. So guys, yeah, I'm just layering this. If you are using a sandwich pack, what you need is 4 layers. Okay, you want to top four slices of bread. That's the perfect size, or the perfect the perfect size for a sandwich pack. Okay, but this, yeah, I did this as 4, but it's not going into the sandwich pack. It's for home consumption. So let me show you the beautiful look, like what this looks in the inside. This looks really good. You can see, I love it creamy. This looks good. And the taste, I don't know how to even go about it. It tastes really, really good as well. So it was at this point that my husband notified me that he was going to be toasting his own after I have put all the ingredients or all the mixture, and then he did just that, and it tastes amazing as well. So this is me telling you that if you don't want it fresh, if you don't want it like this, you can go ahead and dump this in your toaster just after adding your filling in it. Okay, it tastes good as well. It's amazing. You are going to enjoy it. And if you are the person that doesn't eat mayonnaise, because I know not everyone likes mayonnaise, go ahead and use a very good butter to do this. Okay, if you don't like mayonnaise, use butter. And if you don't even want anything creamy in it, you can go ahead and do it just the way it is. So guys, I want to really appreciate you guys as per always. Thank you so very, very much for watching my videos. Thank you for the love. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, do all of the good stuff, and let this channel get to 10,000 subscribers before my birthday, which is actually August 28th. I trust you guys. You are going to make it. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a blessed and fulfilled day. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me from my area, now I'll be here to the guys. Cause I came back on my son, conquer. My light is forever gonna shine. I'm so G tomorrow, I'm sorry. It's not money, don't come.